Uila uObserve provides instant and automated access to out-of-box, correlated, and contextualized logs from multiple systems. This includes Windows events, Active Directory, IIS servers, Zscaler, Cisco, Barracuda, F5, Checkpoint, and others. It also includes applications like Microsoft SQL Server, VMware Horizon for VDI, Oracle, Office 365, and many more applications. With this logging analysis, Uila provides intelligent full-stack observability context in a unified console that combines metric and log data to improve IT team efficiencies. Also, there's no need to dig through logs in a separate tool and correlate that with metric data because everything is built inside the Uila uObserve system in this unified interface. Let's take a look at this in action. You can access the log analysis from the menu on the left-hand side, or you can access it from the stats browser for an individual server. I will be covering that at a later point of time. Here, let's take a look at the logs that we have received from the log servers. You can filter based on the modules that are supported by the uObserve solution. So there are lots of modules here, right? So for this demo, we'll go ahead and select the Windows event module. You can see the log messages here, along with the details about that specific log message, including the type, the severity, the group, the source, the event ID, if it's available, and also the message itself. You also have the option for searching and filtering for specific keywords within the message. Use the check mark if you want to do a full text search. So we'll go ahead and just try this out. We'll use the word token, and then you hit the filter and search option. So now it's going to list only the messages which have the keyword called token. So you can see that here. You can also perform contextualized querying and filtering within the logs for accelerated troubleshooting and infrastructure management. You can choose from over 20 plus default searches for the most common troubleshooting scenarios, right? So this includes VMware Horizon VDI, Active Directory, and MS SQL. So depending on what you want to search, you can just hit the search button, or you can create your custom search for your unique scenario. So let's go ahead and take a look at the custom search. Here you would specify your rule type. And then continue to customize if you need further to add your own additional filtering requirements. So you have options from your groups, for your sources, for your service types, your messages, event IDs, whatever you want to add, right? So you can keep adding the fields that you need, and then you do have the option of saving this custom search, or you can just run this custom search as well. You also have the option for accessing the log analysis from the stats browser as you're resolving challenges or need full observability into a particular server. Here you can see all the logs that are received from this particular server, and the same filtering capabilities that you saw in the log analysis screen is also available here as well. Uila uObserve users can also set up alerts for their log messages that are critical to them. You can do this from the settings menu and going to the alarm configuration. Let's select a notification method here. Like, let's just select email, for example. Here you can give it a name. You select the log analysis option. Then you are again given the choice of selecting from any of these rules configured. So here you can choose from the default rules or the customized rules that you have selected. So we'll just select one of the rules. We'll hit next. Here you do have the option for specifying this for everything or for a particular entity. So you can say it's for a particular entity, and then you can just add a recipient here. Once you do that, you hit finish, and now this is configured. Now, when you see critical log messages that matter to you, you will be notified via email when those get triggered, right? You can do that for any of the other notification methods as well. Thank you, everyone, for listening to the Uila uObserve's log analysis functionality. Hope this was very helpful for everyone. Thank you.